Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a follow-up on a video that I posted during the summer. I reviewed my very first Teddy Blake bag and I absolutely loved it, and I just kind of want to show you how it's held up over the months. The holidays are coming and Teddy Blake is going to be having some amazing sales starting with Halloween. They are having 75% off sales, and if you've never owned a Teddy Blake bag, you are missing out. They are the most amazing designer handbags. I have been itching to get my second Teddy Blake bag, and I want something that's more of an everyday use bag because I love my bag so much. So if you didn't see my first review, I'm going to go ahead and link that down below and right here in a card. That way you can check it out. I talked to you all about Teddy Blake and why I love it and why I'm so impressed with it. They have a website filled with amazing purses in all colors of leather. You will be totally blown away by their selection. The bag that I chose at that time was the Vanessa Palmetto, and I love my bag. It's more of a larger size bag, and I chose that bag for a reason. I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling. I have kids and I have a lot of things that I have to carry for my family. So let me go ahead and show you my bag and how it's holding up. I'll also share with you what I've been carrying in my bag because I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't work, so I don't have to carry it to work, but it would be the most amazing work bag. I do carry it to volunteer at school, and so I'll show you what I take with me when I go to volunteer. It's worked out perfectly. I absolutely love it. I'm going on my first trip next weekend, so you better believe that my bag is coming with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Everyone, meet Vanessa. This is the Vanessa Palmetto 14-inch handbag. I love it. She is so beautiful. There are a couple of color choices when you're picking the interior leather, and I chose the red leather. It reminded me of a Louboutin heel, and I've never seen a purse with a red interior, and it just looks so stunning. I love this feature because it keeps my purse handles closed, which means that it'll be a lot harder for things to fall out or even for somebody to reach inside of my purse. So this is one of the features that I didn't talk about in my last video that I really do love. Included with your purse is an adjustable strap. You can leave this on or you can easily take it off, and other designer brands have you pay extra for your straps. Teddy Blake does not, so this will be included in your purchase. The interior of your purse does have 3 compartments. One of them is zippered, so that's where you can keep some really important items, your wallet, driver's license, credit cards, things like that. They'll stay secure in there. These buttons on the side allow your purse to expand a whole lot if needed. I love that feature, perfect for traveling. And then this is the 3rd compartment of your purse, which has a zipper. My purse is in amazing condition. It survived a move and it looks just like it did the day I unboxed it. Let me go ahead and show you what I carry inside of my purse. The first thing is my planner. I cannot live without my planner and a pen. It fits perfectly inside of this purse. I'm also big on sunglasses. This is one of my favorite pair of sunglasses. Meghan Markle wore them one time and I had to have them, and they are Le Spec sunglasses. One thing about me is when I like something a lot, I won't wear them. So I don't wear these often, but they are my favorite. This is my wallet. Of course, you have to carry a wallet, and my husband bought me this wallet for Christmas one year. It matches the interior of my purse perfectly, and I always get a lot of compliments on it. A girl also has to carry hand sanitizer, lip gloss, and powder, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the zipper part of my purse. The last thing that I'll be carrying in my purse is either a computer, a laptop, or an iPad. I'm always doing some type of editing, and if time allows, it's perfect to just have it in my purse ready to go. So as you can see, my bag is holding up beautifully. I absolutely love this bag. I have been itching, like I said, to get a second one, and I also want to get a wallet. The nice thing that I noticed about Teddy Blake is when you're at checkout, they offer you even 50% off of a wallet. So the wallet that I was eyeing was $200, and I could have gotten it for $100. It was the perfect wallet, the type of wallet that I like to use. So I'm definitely gonna check out these sales myself because I really do need a second Teddy Blake bag. I didn't think I was gonna say that so soon. I knew I wanted a second bag, but I didn't think that I was gonna say that so soon. So this would make an amazing holiday gift for yourself or for someone that you love. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the website down below. Teddy Blake is amazing. You have to check them out. Trust me on this. I want to thank Teddy Blake for reaching out to me and for sponsoring today's video. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.